All right, well, we have it assembled. I guess the next thing to do is we're going to have to actually just do a drive test to make sure it works. I want to make sure that the drive motors have enough power to move it the way I want. I also really want to test out these new tires and see how good the traction is and see how well they hold up. So let's take it out in the driveway and fire it up and have it drive around for a minute and see how it does. All right, let's power it up and see what it does. Don't let me down. All right. Well, turns fairly quick. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have to program those speed controllers a little bit more. You watch it take off and then slow. So it's probably hitting that amp limit. I'm gonna have to set the amp a little higher. But as far as control goes, that works. All right, so I mean, those tires get really good traction, so that part's a win. Yeah. So we got a little bit of speed controller work to do, but I'd still call that a success. I would call that mostly a success. The traction on the tires is fantastic. It's obvious I have enough power to move the robot around really well. We're going to have to play with the speed controllers a little bit, which I kind of expected. Anytime you're moving into brushless, you got quite a bit of just control issues to deal with trying to get the speed controllers to do what you want. And so I'm going to have to reprogram them again, probably a few times to get it to where I want. But overall, I was pretty pleased with it. It does drive like it's supposed to. I think I got enough power to be fairly quick in the arena. And that's going to be key because everybody's pretty fast these days. So I got to have enough power to, dodge and move around in the arena. So I think so far this has turned out fairly well. So we'll keep at it. Gonna have to keep working on this. Don't have long. So just keep watching and see what the new Tombstone can do.